Hi, it's Erica Macias, and I want to walk you through this form called Property Owner's Payment Instructions. This form is used to provide Barrett Company, Inc., Property Management Department, with your instructions and directions regarding the distribution of the monthly rent that is due to you as the owner. Here's what you need to fill out and consider on the form. First, you'll need to enter your name or names as the owners or owners and the property address. You'll also need to specify the owner's name on the bank account that checks should be made payable to. Next, and this is important, you must select only one distribution method for your rent payments. The options are mail directly to me personally. If you choose this, you'll need to provide your full mailing address. Mail directly to my out-of-state bank account. For this option, you'll need to provide the name of bank, the address of the bank, and your account number. Deposit directly into my bank account at a branch located in Las Vegas, Nevada. If you select this, you'll need to provide the name of bank and your account number. For this method, you are also specifically asked to submit a copy of the bank deposit slip for verification. Regarding when you can expect payments, the form states that all distributions to the owner will be made by the 15th of the month. However, there are two exceptions that could cause a delay: if the tenant's payment is late or if a repair issue causes a delay. Finally, you will need to provide your signature or signatures as the owners or owners and the date at the bottom of the form. Please let me know if you have any questions about this form before you sign it.